What's going on there, YouTube? So I have a problem. I think y'all can help me. 2016 Chevy Silverado 5.3 Z71 four-wheel drive. I have a check engine light. Okay, I know what the problem is, so on and so forth. Is there any possible way to bypass the remote start even though the check engine light is on? Can someone please, I know there's some masters out there that can absolutely do anything and all of that good stuff, but no one has made a video on how to get your vehicle to remote start with the engine light on. Just like if it wouldn't start with the hood open, etc., etc., etc. How do I bypass that? I sure do appreciate y'all. Y'all have a blessed evening. Thank you.